In ban one day, out the other. It'll be interesting to see once IndusInd Bank too comes out of the ban sooner or later, as we are heading towards the monthly expiry as well. But Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining in on the show now. Sacchitanand, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. What are the stocks that you are recommending this afternoon in this volatile market?
Good afternoon, almost. Good afternoon, Mangalam. I think this correction that we have seen so far is very healthy. In fact, even after 7 days of a rally, Nifty was indicating some headroom towards 24,000, and I think that headroom still remains intact. On the lower side, I think today's built-up is again indicating that 23,600 looks like a decent support, which has been elevated. So I think closer to that is again a good opportunity to create some long positions. We are expecting that eventually we may see this particular move getting exhausted towards 24,000. So I think the reward for this opportunity is again bright. Any declines towards 23,650, 600 would be a good level wherein some long positions can be committed. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at 23,520. And we may see a final swing towards 24,000. Now, if you look at the entire rotation, banks are something wherein there is some profit booking, but IT stocks have started performing. So from this particular space, Coforge has registered a fresh breakout from this consolidation. Now, if you look at the 60 minutes chart, it's a classic rounding bottom formation. It has also, crossed its 50 DEMA convincingly. It's an open interest hurdle which has been crossed at 8,000. So we are expecting this momentum to continue towards 80 to 50. And that's why we are recommending building fresh long positions here. One can keep a stop loss at 78.80 on a closing basis for a pattern target of around 8250. The other stock which Mangalam has already highlighted is Trend. Now, after a good underperformance and consolidation, the stock has started, trending above its 5200 hurdle. Now, if you look at the trend indicators, there is a positive crossover on its RSI. And plus, there's a good strong convergence on its 5 and 20 exponential moving averages, which is again a sign of momentum. So we are expecting this particular rally to, continue towards 5450, where its 50-day exponential moving average is placed. The reward to risk is again healthy. One can keep a stop loss at 5120 on a closing basis, and some aggressive long positions can be considered for a final target of 5450.
All right, Sachi, thank you so much for joining in and giving us your call on the index and individual stocks. With that, we'll take a short break.